Hey, what's up, guys? So I pretty much started this video halfway through the job, um, and so I'm just gonna kind of take you step by step of what I've done so far. All right, so here's the new part that I bought. I'll show you guys. I'll put the link on there of where I bought it and how much it was. It wasn't expensive at all. But first thing you're gonna do is remove the back plate right here. It has screws right here, so you're gonna need this tool right here, T30. It's like a star, and it'll, once you take all those off, you got two screws back here. All right, and going right here, mine broke off, so I had to use some vice grips to hold the back piece, which was this, and then unbolt it. I used my Craftsman C3. Alright, so the reason why I'm changing it is because the handle was broken. So now I gotta take off this lock mechanism from right here. And so what I think I gotta do is take this clip off right here, and I should be able to just slide it out. Alright, so I took that clip off, and now all you gotta do is slide it up. There you go. And this will go on the new one right here. Alright, and there we got the end product. Got that put back in on a new one. It was super easy. I don't have any problems with that at all. Alright, so one thing I wanted to show you guys was these things right here. The way they go in. Pretty much just slide it in like that, and then this is going to clip around. And boom. Okay? Don't force those out. It should slide in fairly easy, and then put it on like that. There you go. Now, I did notice something weird on this. I don't know what the hell that is. It looks like they just mounted it to hold it in. It's pretty crappy. But I think I paid like $13 for this whole thing, so I mean, you get what you pay for. So if it lasts me 2 years, a year, 2 years, I'm good with that. All right.